Assalamu alaikum. Today in the Wazwan series, I'm going to show you how to make Wazze Kokur or Wazwan style chicken. This chicken is served as a starter on Wazwan trami or platter. This video has been made with the help of Kashmiri local chefs or Wazzas. So let's get started. They start off by making slits in chicken, and here you can see how chicken pieces are taken. It's kind of a half of a chicken, and then they are going to add it to salt water. They have added water and salt to this, and they will let it soak for some time. After soaking it in salt water for some time, they are going to boil it. So they have taken water and added some turmeric and salt to it, and they are going to boil chicken in this. So here you can see they have boiled chicken in salt and turmeric water, and they will take it out and strain it. Once water is drained from chicken, they have heated up oil, and now they are going to fry the chicken. So this chicken is deep fried. Here you can see. So now here you can see they have deep fried the chicken like this. After frying, they have kept chicken in one pot, and they are going to add spices to it. They start with adding mutton stock. Here you can see. Then other spices are added. So they start up spicing, or in their language masaldun, to all the dishes simultaneously. Here you can see all the dishes are queued up. So they add black cardamoms, green cardamom, cinnamon, shallots like fried prawn, and then they are going to add fennel seed powder and dry ginger powder, and they have added almost quarter tin of tomato puree. So here you can see. After that, they are going to put it on the flame, and then they have added chili powder and salt, because they had already boiled it in salt water and they had soaked in salt. You have to be very careful with the salt. So here you can see it's on flame now. They have added a little of oil also, and then they are going to add turmeric powder. So Wazzas or the local chefs, they have their own measurements. They don't usually just measure and put. They have their own measurements. So they will let it cook on flame, and they will keep checking on it. So here now they are going to add a big ladle of fried shallots or prawn. Initially they had added fried prawn. Now they are going to add fried prawn paste. So here they are just pouring gravy over the chicken so that it gets cooked properly. And this chicken doesn't have a lot of gravy. It's kind of a dry dish. They let it cook till almost all the gravy is absorbed, and here you can see before serving they are going to add ghee. So here our tempting Wazze Kokur is ready. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.